Hey everybody, how's it going? Dino Black, client advisor with the Russ Darrow Automotive Group. Today I'm going to be sharing more with you about one of my favorite vehicles. It's fun, it's safe, it's functional, and it's affordable. It's a 2023 Kia Forte GT. It's got heated and ventilated seats, high visibility LED lights, blind spot detection monitor system, lane keep assist, sunroof, beautiful chairs that make you feel like a race car driver. Not that you have to race the car, but it's there if you want to. 201 horsepower, but I mean, you don't have to do that. Anyways, back to more important features about safety. It's all there at an affordable price to take care of you, your friends, and your family. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching.
Hey, how's it going, guys? I know what you're thinking. That was a hell of a video. Dino Black, client advisor here at Russ Darrow Kia Wauwatosa. Come see me. I'll get you taken care of. 262-207-4159. Look forward to taking care of you, earning your business. Have a great day. I'll see you guys soon.